love the class as a whole. I think it's very educational. I like that it's very hands-on. It's not just sitting in a classroom and trying to get info. Learning the layering of colors and being able to, hopefully in the next class, learn more about that. But with this class, being able to take that and making art out of it and bringing that into other people's homes.
I thought was really good. 4 days is really not enough time to cover all of the applications, all of the products, but it allows you to get your feet wet. I think that the actual hands-on, the mixture of kind of sitting in kind of a classroom, there's not a whole lot of that, but it's very helpful and you get a lot of good answers to specific questions. But then also I think just the hands-on, you learn this stuff. You can watch all the YouTube videos you want, but you don't really understand what it's going to do until you get hands-on, and then you get good coaching, you get instruction. I think it's kind of an 80-20 thing, right? So most people just think of pouring the epoxy, but the things that really, the 20% of details that you need to know that take up 80% or cause 80% of your aggravation are the types of things that we address here. So ways to deal with backsplashes, or what do you do with a difficult edge? How do you finish a floor? How do you, what do you do around the edges? What do you do with the little cracks? So we got a little bit of that with each of the products. And then particularly on the floor project, I mean, we did that start to finish on a very rough floor and just went through every stage, and that was just fantastic. It was a big project.
Some really valuable resources are here, and it's not just the instructors, but it's also your fellow classmates. So the cross-learning is almost as important, I think, as learning from your instructors. There are a lot of people here with a lot of really different experiences, both in construction. Some of them are flooring people, some of them are wall people, and so take advantage really of the full spectrum of learning that you have access to here. You have marketing people and business people, and there's a lot of contacts to be made and a big network that you have access to in this workshop for sure. I could probably come to 6 of these workshops and learn something new every time because there are so many different techniques. Come here, learn, go home, go back to your shop, play with the products, and come back and learn something new. So there are advanced workshops that you can take, which are awesome. So just keep learning and just keep growing and make it your own, because that's what the beauty of this product is you can make it your own.
I think it's gonna help me a lot. It's gonna get me more customers that I don't have already. I haven't seen anybody doing countertops, and certainly one of my customers asked me about this type of work, and I had no idea what to say to him. So he gave me the suggestion to come and take the class, and it's working out just fine.